Ang next part po ng business plan namin ay environmental analysis.
Na ang parts ay global analysis, societal analysis, at industry analysis. So global analysis po, meron po kami mga ginawang analysis on different aspects. Una, economic trends. Pangalawa, cultural and social trends. Pangatlo, technological advancements. Pang-apat, environmental at sustainability. At panglima, political and regulatory landscape. So ano po ba yung ginawa namin sa economic trends? So, nag-research po kami at ang lumabas po dito ay overall economic environment supports consumer spending on indulgent treats. So, in summary po, sa economic trends, sinusuportahan po daw ng economic environment yung pagbili daw po ng mga consumer sa indulgent treats. Ibig sabihin po, nag-cater po kami sa economic trends na yung business po namin ay compatible sa kung ano po ba yung trends. At ang trends po kasi ngayon sa market ay yung mga consumer po ay bumibili po ng mga sweet foods which is compatible po sa business po namin na Sweet Bites. Pangalawa, cultural and social trends. So, ongoing global culinary trends include an increasing demand for exotic flavors and visually appealing desserts. So, sa global culinary trends naman daw po, kagaya po, related po sa sinabi ko kanina, na yung meron pong increasing demand sa exotic flavors and visually appealing desserts. So, in relation to our business, magkakaroon po kami ng opportunity na ilagay po yung market namin sa in terms of demand kasi po ang nakalagay po sa demand ay meron daw pong malakas na demand sa exotic flavors at mga indulgent treats. And kami po, nagbebenta po kami ng mga ganon. Since ang pangalan po namin at ang business po namin ay Sweet Bites, nagbebenta po kami ng mga sweet foods. So, makikater po namin yung demand. Sa technological advancement naman po, the adoption of technology is in the food industry continues to rise. Sweet Bites should focus on enhancing its online presence. So, since po sa global analysis, meron na pong pagtaas sa paggamit po ng technology, ang Sweet Bites po ay gagamit po ng or magkakaroon po ng online presence. And in that way po, mamamarket po namin yung business po namin sa mga tao. Next po is environmental sustainability. So sa global sustainability naman daw po, ang ine-emphasize po ngayon ay eco-friendly practices. So sa mga market daw po, ine-emphasize daw po yung eco-friendly practices. So, Sweet Bites should consider implementing sustainable packaging and sourcing practices, aligning with international expectations for environmentally conscious business. So, yung Sweet Bites po, ang gagawin po namin, i-align po namin yung business po namin sa kung ano po yung dinedemand sa environment, which is eco-friendly. So, magiging eco-friendly po yung business po namin. Panglima ay political and regulatory landscape. Sa global trade agreements and regulatory changes may impact the import of unique dessert ingredients. Sweet Bites need to stay updated on international policies and regulation affecting the food and beverage industry. So, sa societal analysis naman po, ang aming target market ay Gen Z at Millennials. So, bakit po ba namin ito napili? The inclusion of Generation Z and Millennials in Sweet Bites target market is strategic for several reasons. So ano po ba yung mga several reasons na yon? Una, tech-savvy consumer base. So yung Gen Z po at Millennial po, mataas po yung usage nila sa technology. So and by doing that po, magkakaroon po kami ng online presence gaya po ng sabi ko kanina. Para po ma-market po namin yung business po namin sa target market po namin na Gen Z at Millennial. Next po is preference for unique and innovative experiences. So yung Gen Z and Millennials po kasi, talagang meron po silang mataas na volume sa kagustuhan sa mga sweet foods. And by doing that, makikater po namin yung business po namin sa mga Gen Z at Millennials. And since mahilig po sila sa mga sweet foods, compatible po sila sa business po namin. Next po is diverse flavor preferences. These generations tend to be adventurous in their culinary choices and embracing diverse and international flavors. By adapting offerings to align with global culinary trends and infusing international flavors into its menu, Sweet Bites can cater to the diverse taste preferences of Generation Z and Millennials. Socially conscious consumerism. Both Generation Z and Millennials are socially conscious consumers, often seeking businesses that align with their values. Sweet Bites' commitment to social responsibility, as mentioned in the business description, contributes to the appeal for this generation as they appreciate businesses that actively engage in community welfare. So yung meron din po impluwensya po din kasi yung social media at online reviews sa pagpili po namin sa target market po namin. Yung Gen Z po at Millennials, mataas po yung usage nila sa social media. And by doing that, since mataas po yung paggamit nila sa social media, and magkakaroon po kami ng online presence, magiging compatible po yung target market namin at yung business po namin. So magkakaroon po kami ng opportunity to have more sales and more revenue. Next po is potential for long-term customer loyalty. Kasi po yung mga Gen Z and Millennials, magkakaroon po kasi kami ng long-term goals na yung mga kabataan po na bibili sa amin, hindi lang po sila ngayon bibili. Maari pa rin po silang bumili in the future. So yung sustainability po ng business po namin ay hindi po mawawala. Next po is consumer behavior. Local consumer behavior insights reveal a preference for visually appealing and innovative desserts. Yung consumer behavior po ay part pa rin po ng societal analysis po namin. Na yung consumer behavior insights reveal po na talagang gusto po talaga nila yung mga appealing po na at innovative na desserts. And since Sweet Bites kami, ang mga food po namin ay mga desserts. So, ayon po sa societal analysis po namin, na yung consumer base po talaga, ang gusto po nila ay yung mga appealing na pagkain at mga desserts po. Next po is social responsibility. Identification of local community needs suggests opportunities for Sweet Bites to engage in socially responsible initiatives. Next is cultural influence. Collaboration with local cultural experts and monitoring social media trends has revealed nuanced flavor preferences within the community. Sweet Bites can capitalize on this by adapting its offerings to resonate with the diverse cultural influences. So next naman po ay industrial analysis. Sa industrial analysis naman po, sa competitive landscape, kailangan po naming magkaroon ng unique flavors at high quality ingredients and exceptional customer service para po magkaroon po ng sustainability yung business po namin. Sa supply chain dynamics naman po, kailangan po namin mag-monitor at magkaroon ng development na contingency plans para po magkaroon ng consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. Next naman po is market trends. Sweet Bites should remain agile in introducing new flavors and maintaining a balance between timeless and innovative offerings. Next po is regulatory compliance. Active participation in industry seminars and workshops helps the business stay informed about changes in food safety regulations. So sa industry collaboration naman po, exploring collaborations with local suppliers or businesses can enhance Sweet Bites offerings and visibility within the community. And that's for environmental analysis po.